Skin scars. Introduction. Is the dermis the outer layer of the skin? Select yes or no. Correct. The dermis is the inner layer of skin. Scars usually fade over time but never go away completely. Select true or false. Correct. Is it necessary to seek treatment for scars? Select yes or no. Correct. Most of the time scars do not require treatment, but you may seek treatment if the way a scar looks bothers you. The goal of treatment is to minimize the appearance of a scar. How can you prevent an unsightly scar? Choose one of the following. 1. Covering the wound as it heals. 2. Never picking at a wound or scab. 3. Getting medical treatment when needed. 4. All of the above. Correct. Even if you take the proper steps, unsightly scars can still happen. It is not possible to prevent all unsightly scars. Thank you for using Explain.